First off, somebody asked me why I don't get too technical with certain things that I talk about. And the short answer is, I don't know. I talk how I talk and things come out how they come out, and it is what it is.
Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video. I'm not even gonna lie. I started recording this video a second ago. I'm not in the best of feelings today. Kind of tired. It's back to school weekend that we just had, and then it's life, right? But we here today. Thank higher power got us here. All right. So let's get into this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video. You can also dislike the video. Comment, share, all that good stuff. All right. As you can tell by the title, you already know what we're talking about today. As you can tell by my Instagram, you already know what we're talking about today. As you can tell by the industry, you can already tell what we're talking about today. All right. I'm going to try not to be here too long. Let's see if I can keep this under like a 10-minute time frame, because y'all already know what's going on. All right. I already did an unboxing somewhat of the StyleCraft Magnetic, the Magnetic Mythic from StyleCraft. This is technically their version of the X Ergo. Get the nice little StyleCraft Gamma opening. You get the clipper that's not there. You get this extra casing, lets you be able to see through and see the motor that's in there. And also you get the charging dock. All right. That's all the good information. Got 180 minutes of runtime, 3 hours of runtime, and you get that after a 2-hour charge, which 2 hours for 3 hours, I'll take it. You got the click lever, which you can also go from the click lever to the floating lever. They also have the stretch bracket in there, where you can extend it to a full open in one. If you take it from, you put the stretch bracket on, take the click lever apart, make it a floating lever, and then open up to it and extend to a full one opening. All right. You got their performance microchip, low noise, the double magnetic guards in the clipper. Can't beat that. All right. 10,000 RPM, black diamond carbon blade. All right. So let's go ahead and get into it. You start with the clipper. Thank you to StyleCraft first off for sending me this clipper. I've been in contact with StyleCraft for a second, StyleCraft and Gamma, and I have been buying everything, but luckily this go round, I was able to grab me StyleCraft. Thank you to them sending me one. So StyleCraft, thank you very much. Gamma, thank you very much. All right, but this clipper will be $299, or not $299. I don't know why I say $299. This clipper is $219, and it is on pre-order as we speak. You go to their website, it is $219. If you're looking to save a few dollars, you can use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. All right, while you on there, go ahead and buy you some extra stuff. Get you a new blade. Get you the shaver, the 1/4 shaver. Go ahead and cop all that. Use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. But this is the machine. 3 hours of runtime, 2 hours to charge. All right. And you know I've been on this. I've been on this clipper. We're gonna go ahead and just jump into it, right? First off, we're gonna start with the things that I don't like. This thing is heavy. As y'all know me, I'm used to using the Magic Clips or the Seniors. All right. Based off of this, I mean, like, once you order these, and if you've been using anything of this nature, I mean, it's night and day. I mean, like, night and day. All right. It's a heavy clipper. Now that I got the cons out the way, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, might be the best clipper on the market. I'm talking about, as far as, first we're going to start with the whole shebang of it, right? You do get their new Fusion fade blade, very thin. It also comes with their new, if you've been following them, it got the new cutting blade, a new slim cutting blade, which put together, it's a very, very great clipper. I mean, very great blade matched with a good cutting blade. It cuts through bulk, very simple. And it's as far as fading, I'm talking about fading on any texture of hair. Ooh, excuse me. Any texture of hair is amazing. It glides through with those double magnetic guards. Now, I also have used my wall guards with this, but the double magnetics is not bad. I'm talking about at all. But I do like the half guard. I think Wall Premium guards is like one of the best half guards. I don't know why. It just works better for me. All right. But this fades through anything. It don't get hot. It lasts the time. The only problem is it's just a heavy clipper. All right. But you're gonna cut through bulk. You're gonna cut through wet hair. It's gonna glide with ease. All right. One other thing so let's say when you're cutting with the grain and you laying the hair down, it cuts the hair down. It just at times don't seem like it lays the hair down. Like if I'm using a wall clipper, when I put that one guard on and I'm cutting with the grain, laying down the waves, it seems like it cuts and it lays it down. As far as using this, sometimes it don't seem like it lays the hair down. It just seems like it cut and that's it. And leaves too many stickies up for me. All right. So I have to go with the the wall clipper on certain textures just to lay it down a little bit better. But this is the beast right here. All right. Here's the clipper. I'm gonna start with what I like about it off the looks of it. Right. First of all, look at it. It's just beautiful. It's smooth. At first looking at this, I thought it was gonna be like a slippery, but it's not. I mean, it got a great grip to it. You got your thumb imprint there. Great grip. Little grip section on the back. It's very nice in your hand. But this as a fading clipper, you won't find anything as of right now. As of clippers that's on the market, in my opinion, there is no better fading clipper than this. It cuts through perfectly. And once you put that stretch bracket in, it gives you more room. It opens all the way up to a 1, just like the JRL. The 2020C also opens to a 1. All right, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about this Mythic from StyleCraft. All right. As y'all seen in my last video, I do like the thumb. I don't know what you would call that, but the wider space on the lever, I like that because when I'm fading, it's just boom. Not that any of them is a problem. Like it's very, very simple. It's just this. I like that thumbprint. If I could get one of these on all my clippers, I would, just because I like it. All right. As you can hear the sound, very quiet, especially during a busy day. You're not going to hear this at all. Even when some clippers, when you put a guard on, it gets louder. None whatsoever. Now, and when I say that, I'm not meaning all clippers get louder when you put a guard, but I've ran into, even with my JRLs, when you put the half guard on, it makes it rattle a little bit. And it could just be the fitting of that guard, specific guard that I'm putting on it, but it does give it a little extra rattle. All right. This is going to cut through anything. I'm talking about any texture of hair, wet hair, dry hair, thick hair, don't matter. It lasts the 3 hours that it says. It's not going to get hot. I don't know. Okay. I like to do this because I'll start rambling. So let me make sure I got this all out. You go to StyleCraft, you pre-order the clipper. The first shipment of the clippers will ship out in September. I'm not for sure what date, but they ship out in September. They're $2.19. Use the discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you a couple dollars. All right. You get your package. It comes with the charging dot. It comes with the stretch bracket. It also has the Filthy Blends bracket on there, so you're able to swap, and mod all you want. All right. Shout out to Filthy Blends. The dude is crazy with this stuff. All right. So you get the clipper. It comes with the double magnetic guards. It lasts 3 hours. Takes 2 hours to charge. Give and take. Right. Takes 2 hours to charge. You get 3 hours of runtime. Cuts through anything. Bulk, lays your hair down. Don't lay it down as much as I would like. Ooh, excuse me. At times it don't lay it down as much as I like. So I remember when I was first starting, this quick. I remember when I first started cutting hair, I never understood why people had so many clippers. Like on your station, In my mind, when I first started cutting hair, I'm thinking you need a clipper, you need a trimmer, and maybe a shaver. Why you got all that? The reason you got more than one, because certain clippers and certain trimmers work with certain textures, and some just work better at doing certain things. So as far as laying the hair down, this is not your best bet. But as far as cutting it, as far as fading, as far like with this beautiful, beautiful fade blade, when you getting out your finishing touches and you just hitting something with that corner, I'm talking about it's just mwah, smooth. You don't have to zero gap it. Another thing, when you are zero gapping, I don't like the black on black because it makes it harder to see when you're not impossible. It just makes it harder. The best thing for this to me will be if you use ceramic blades, you put a white ceramic blade, you got the black cut, the fade blade, it'd probably be good. I'm not a fan of ceramic blades. I'm gonna use this because I didn't have to zero gap it. When you look at it, you can tell that black on black, it's gonna be hard for your eyes to see everything, right? But is this worth $219? Yes. Is this the best clipper out there? Yes. Is it a little heavy? Yeah. Will it hurt you? Because that weight, I think that weight just helps when you cutting. It just helps it. Once you get the feel of it, when you fading that weight, and then you coming down on it, you just let the weight glide. You ain't got to put too much pressure. You just let it glide. You just let it glide. It's going to do everything for you. Best clipper on the market, StyleCraft Mythic, $219. Use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. 3 hours, don't get high, stretch bracket, 50 blends bracket, all that good stuff. Hopefully I went through everything. Like, I feel so out of it today. And I don't know. Maybe I'm going to rewatch this and be like, nah, got to record it again once I feel it. But I feel zoned out right now, right? Either way, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff. Holla at your boy, man. Oh, yeah. Got this little nice LED thing, LED light right here, indicator. Starts flashing when it's about to die. You just put it on the dock, it'll never die. If you got your dock on the station, this clipper will never die. Never. Peace.